Okay, you see this street? We're gonna take it. Looks kind of cool. Nighttime. I think you're gonna like this one. Look at these buildings. Crazy. We're gonna be right in the middle of it. Stay tuned. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so we're gonna start out by this couch. It's like an inviting place. There's also little alleys all the way down. There's like a pizza place all the way down that way. And we're gonna go directly down this one, but we're gonna go up on top. So we're gonna go up on the top part and we're gonna try to get around this little circular thing. Get over here. And then yeah, there's one way we could go down that way, but we're gonna go up so that we can capture it from above. So let's do that. And when you get up here, it's gonna be kind of interesting because we're gonna be in a bunch of apartments like that. Yeah, so looks cool already, right? So yeah, that's down below. So we're just gonna walk down that street and show you. So you kind of got shops down below, and you also have them up above as well. Oh, sorry, got a residential above, with shops below. But from up above, you can see it in a nice, interesting way. More apartments over there, of course. Okay, so let's just walk down this way, and we can kind of put the camera. And at the end of it, there's like a bridge. Look at that. That looks cool, right? Looks super cool. You can't say it doesn't, right? Then you can walk. That way is kind of like right on top of it. But there's other stuff down that direction too. I'll just give you a little context. It looks like you can walk up it for like wheelchair accessibility and stuff like that. A little dark. So we'll just stick to our main stuff over here. Looks like the lighting here is amazing because you can see the sky. And then you have little lobbies in here. I've walked in here a few times before, and sometimes people are just hanging out, and sometimes they put like little flower beds or plants and different stuff. All kinds of random things. We're pretty close to the border, by the way, as well. So we're just gonna walk all the way that direction. And the lighting is amazing. There's a mirror right there. Wonder why. So that's why you're looking down. That's what you're over above. I don't know what's more interesting down there or up here. I think it's more interesting to be up here from this viewpoint and then looking down on that. Yeah, and you can see some of these are really beautified. So there's some plants and trees and things like that. So you can see it. Whoops. You can see it right there. All the tree, all the plants, and the, which is kind of good because then you create a barrier in case cars come up and park. Yeah, beautiful lighting. Each one is a little bit different. So we're gonna head back over in this space. Now you can see it from different angles, right? So the tallest buildings are like right here. You can see somebody walking right there in that caged space. I'm gonna keep on walking down. Then at the end, there's a, I'll show you. Getting a little dark. We're gonna do another video where we go to the border later. Look at the lighting of that, that's amazing. So there's a little thing up there, so we're gonna go up there in a minute. I guess we'll go there now because I think we can get some good footage there anyways. That looks cool. Okay, so we're gonna take a look from this angle, and then we're gonna go down, across a little bit. So yeah, we just went down that. So yeah, that was one that we just went down. Got some other streets in here too. This is basically a different street, so I think I might just go down and just try to capture it from below a little bit, and then I can also capture the street sign as well so that we can label it accordingly. Sometimes when I do these, I'm also kind of trying to document a little bit too, so people can look at it in the past. So we're back on street level again. It says cheers. It says cheers. It's let's see what this is. It's like a pizza place with beer. Looks kind of cool. Okay, so we're gonna check out some of the stuff. Look at this. That looks kind of cool. Okay, so we're gonna look for the street name. This restaurant looks really nice too. Huh. Eel, chicken, flour. Looks like the menu is all in Chinese. I like that though. It's pretty cool. Okay, so we're just gonna look for a street sign just so that we have this labeled accordingly. Looks nice in there though. Let's try to see if we can find the street sign. So there's cheers. Here it is. Dois. Dois da Cidade Nova de Taipa. So the other one we had was and Trash, I think. And then we'll just kind of capture this little space here too. So it looks like this is going to be the entrance part, which is this right here. So that's the entrance right there. And we're going to end this one. There we go. Pretty cool little space.